Hello, this is Perky Mama. I received the RoomyRoc Foldable Neckband Stereo Wireless Headset for free in exchange for an honest review. It's the SX-803A version. It comes in this sturdy box if you want to store it away. As you can see, it came in this foam folded up, and so that you can store it easily. You can also easily unfold it with one hand into the headset, which will rest on your neck and shoulder area. It comes with a charging cable, but not the electrical outlet piece. And there also are extra earbuds just in case you lose them or one falls apart. And it has a free 1-year warranty. And then it also comes with the directions that were pretty easy to follow. So let's set aside all of this so we can go through the headphones or headset. If you look on the right side here, there is the USB port so that you can put the charging cable in. There's a blue light showing that it has power. On this side is, hopefully you can see that, the on-off button. Right now it's actually on. They recommend when you're charging it to turn it off so that it charges faster. So it just flashed red to show that it's off. When you push the on button, it vibrates and shows the blue light to show that it's on. These are the positive and negative buttons which you can control your volume with, and there was one other thing here. Oh, to change your songs, you can also do that with. That is on the right side when it's sitting on your neck like this. So when you want to listen, let's see if I can get my tripod to stand correctly. So you can see me trying on the headset. So you put it like this, and you can pull out your earbuds easily. Put them in your ears like this, and they stay pretty well in your ears. I can't hear anything now except for my voice, so I'm going to take them back out because it's funny hearing your voice like that. They're very comfortable to wear in my ears. I have small ears, and my husband has a larger ear because he's a man, and he said they're pretty comfortable too. The wires are very thin, so when you retract them back into the headset, you need to be very careful. There's a button on this side, and there's a button on this side you can press. You want to hold it in right here, and they pop right back in like that. Where is it? There it is. So those easily store away to protect your wires. And it also fits nicely around my neck, and I don't have to worry about it falling off, and it's flexible, and I like it so far. So let's see here. So there's several features to this. It is noise canceling. When I had the TV on, I could not hear it while I was playing music using the headset, and I couldn't hear my husband talking to me very well. It was like I was in a fishbowl and didn't understand what he was saying. Oh, there's 2 more buttons here. This is the intelligent voice button. My phone, it took it to a command on my phone, but it wasn't getting the right information. I was trying to say the phone number and it just kept coming up with other things on my list of phone numbers. It does say that some phones won't support the function, so mine may not because it's an old Trek phone. The other side is this call button. It's also called the multifunctioning button. So when you want to make a call, you short press it. Well, to take an incoming call, sorry, not to make a call. You short press this, boop, and it will answer your phone. And then when you want to end the call, you press it again. You can also double click it to reject the call, and you can double click it to get the last number redial too. So some of the buttons and doing the same commands will do different things at different times. I will try to show you a couple things here. You need to set up your Bluetooth on your phone. So go up. Oh, there's a big glare. Let's see here. If I hold it like this. Go into your Bluetooth section, hold it down. I already have it in here, but you would press search for the first time that you don't have it and click on the SX-803A. So I am connected. You can do that with a second phone too. I tried it with my husband's and it worked too. I am going to go out of here and then show you the music. So I just brought up YouTube and I have baby music playing. Tap to unmute. So this will pair itself with the phone, and I can't hear. They're loud enough on your ears, but you can't hear it. Yeah, it's playing. You just can't hear it on the camera, I don't think. I can't hear it from here unless I put it on my ears, which is a good thing because then other people around you can't hear the music. So that's the music feature. When you want to make or have somebody call you, let's see here. I'll have this phone call my phone. Okay, so that's calling. And now my phone should pick up. Okay, so it's calling on my phone and this is actually vibrating to say that it's there. What you would do is click your phone button and see, it hooked to the headphones instead of through the phone, and my voice is actually coming through the mic, which is on here somewhere. Here it is. There's a little hole right here and it's going into my phone over here. So I would say, let's hang this up first so that doesn't annoy us. I would say this is a very easy to use headset. You just need to read through the instructions and find out what all the different buttons are. So those are a couple different features, and you may find that there's a couple more that I may not have covered. Just follow the instructions and there you have it. Thank you.